guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a room tour of my bedroom in my apartment. I'm packing to move out right after I film this video, so I wanted to do one last room tour. Remember the room, I love it so much. I will have every single thing linked down below for you guys, so if there's any question where anything is, it will be linked down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already and keep an eye out for the move out vlog. But yeah, let's get started. So here is a little overview of the room when you first walk in. This is just what it looks like. This is the door that you walk in from. This light switch actually doesn't do anything. There's no overhead lights in this apartment, or in my bedroom at least. Everyone hates the ceiling. Anytime I post any video, people are like, I hate the ceiling. I didn't choose the ceiling. It's an apartment, so it came like this. This is just what they do here. But yeah, there's no overhead lighting here in this apartment. So again, here's just like a little overview of the room. Here's the door, and then right when you walk in, I have this little mirror. It's from Target. Again, will be linked down below. On it, I have my purse. I'll link my purse down below, why not? And then I have a couple masks and then some jewelry because I didn't know where to hang them without them getting, I don't know, tangled. But I love this. This was like $5. I literally have it hung up from command strips, and my purse is heavy, so it really holds it up really well. I love it. It's great. And then down below right here, I have this basket for some of my shoes from Amazon. I really like having this here because I can put my shoes in there instead of just like throwing them on the floor and making the room look messy. So I love this, linking it, of course. So when you walk in, should we go to the bed or should we go to the desk first? The desk is like right in front of you, so let's go with that. This is the Mickey desk from IKEA. I always get questions about it. It is the best desk ever. Ignore the cords down there. I didn't know what to do with them. I also have the Malm desk at my parents' house, but I like this one more. There's two drawers. It's such a good space. There's like an opening there, not one there. And then I also really like there's like that hole right there for cords. A little desk tour. This lamp, I'm gonna actually turn this lamp off. This lamp right here is from Target. I love that it's gold and then has like a little marble thing right here. It's one of the only ways to get light in here at night because like I said, there's no overhead lighting, so it actually provides so much light. And then that's my phone. This is a birthday candle. I actually have two of them in my room. One was a gift, and then birthday candles actually was so nice and sent me one. And then this is my other favorite candle ever. This is Champagne Toast from Bath & Body Works. I love it. I don't know if I mentioned this, but this is my college apartment. So this is where I do school. This is where I film YouTube videos. This is where I live. This room is everything to me. This room is everything. I do school at this desk. I get ready at this desk. I film videos and edit videos at this desk. For when I do my makeup, this little makeup brush holder is from HomeGoods. I love it. I got it so long ago, but I recently went to HomeGoods and saw they still have it, and it was like $10. I will link a similar one from Amazon down below, but you guys always love that. I think it's so cute. I have this mirror right here. It's actually just like a normal mirror. I think I got it from Target when I was like 12 years old, but I got these. They're kind of dusty. I got these like Hollywood lights. It was literally a kit, and they're just like kind of suction cupped or like taped, glued on here. I don't know. I did a whole video testing out Amazon products, and that was one of them, so I will link that down below. But the mirror and the lights were separate, and so I just kind of combined them. I also have my Amazon Alexa Echo Show. It's actually not hooked up to the Wi-Fi because I couldn't figure it out for a while. And then this mirror, you guys always ask me where it's from. I love it. It like, you can zoom in. Ooh, you can zoom out. Ooh. It's from Costco. I love it. It's so great. It lights up, turns off, all the above. I also love having my TV right here. So this TV is from Amazon. I have some light strips hooked up to it, but then they would like randomly turn on, and I low-key felt like that was like kind of ghosty. I unplugged it. And then I also have these little things right here that just cover the cord to make it look a little nicer. I'll link that down below. Why not? This chair, I'm not really sure what this chair is called, but it's from IKEA. I'll link it down below for you guys. I like it a lot. And then going over here, I have this full-length mirror. When I first moved into the apartment, I used to have it angled like this. I don't know if you can see. It has some feet so you can stand it up. It's like a freestanding mirror, but I actually put it against this wall, and I like it so much more because it makes the room look bigger and it doesn't kind of close off this area. This is like a little acupuncture mat that I have under there. This is a basket from Amazon, and then I have two blankets that are both from Target in there. Okay, so here is my window. This is my view. I seriously love this view. That's one of the best things about this apartment. This isn't like the best apartment ever, but the view is amazing. So I have these really long full-length windows. I have one little window ledge. So I have this photo right here of me and my friend Emma and Kiara, Disneyland. The frame is from IKEA. This frame is from Target. It's a photo of my dog. My roommate Aspen got me this for Christmas, and I thought it was a fake succulent, but turns out it's real. So I never watered it, so it's kind of crispy. It's a little hair by crispy, if you will. Yeah, so it still looks good even though it's dead. And this mirror, I love this mirror. Laura Mercier actually sent it to me in a PR package. I think it's the cutest little mirror ever. I love it so much. I want to use this for sure in my next apartment. And And then should we move on to the bed? That's there. And then moving on, this beautiful, I love this thing. I feel like this really completes the room because I didn't know what to do with that wall. It's kind of just like this like rainbow fringy thing. It's from Target. Again, I'll link it down below, but I love it. I just think it adds so much to the room. So let's talk about the bed. This apartment came with the bed, so you can kind of see this, and then it came with drawers under here. These drawers don't ever close. I literally close them all the time and then they just open back up, so it's whatever. Pretty much everything on my bed is from Target. My throw blanket's from Target, my bedding's from Target, my sheets are from Target, all these throw pillows are from Target. That one's a little bit older, but these ones I think they still sell. I love my bed. It's super cozy. I think it's the cutest thing ever. I'm so obsessed with it. My headboard is from Urban Outfitters. I'll show you guys. It's actually not like a normal headboard. It's a picture frame basically. It's basically a picture frame that you hang to the wall. So it's literally hung on the wall, which I love. Do you see how it kind of ends there? I love that so I can make it taller because a lot of headboards will like end right there where the pillows are so you can't even see it. So I hung it up and I raised it a little bit higher than normal, which I think it looks super cute. And then up here is my favorite thing ever. I love these. You guys are always afraid that they're gonna fall on me and kill me. This one actually did fall, but it didn't hurt me. People love the look of them, but people are always very concerned about me. But basically, I found this photo of a $1,000 mirror that looks like this, and I was like, there's no way I'm paying for that. So I actually basically DIY'd these, or better yet, I had someone do it for me. I bought these mirrors. They're just basic mirrors. There's no like beveling or anything on them. They're just flat circle mirrors. I think I got them from Home Depot, and then I had someone help me. It was like someone that worked with wood. They basically took 2 pieces of wood, sanded them, kind of softened the edges. Do you see how they're not as like pokey? And then they stained the wood, and they literally use super glue, like the strongest glue you could think of, I guess, and glued them on, and somehow it works. I don't know how, but I love them. I think it's super cute. I'm so obsessed with them. I'll never get over how much I love them. This one up here is another photo of my dog. This frame is from IKEA. It's the same one I have on my windowsill. This is a little candle from Target. I actually have redecorated these because this one used to have like books and stuff on them and it was too heavy, so it fell, like I already said. This right here is a pot from IKEA that was actually pink, and I painted it this like matte terracotta color. I have some like fake pampas grass. I don't even know if that's considered pampas grass, but it's from Amazon. That photo frame is from HomeGoods. It's a photo that I drew of me and my friend Lauren. Over here, that's another candle from Target. It's like the same one as that, and that's another birthday candle. I think they look super cute. Okay, so moving on to the nightstands. The nightstands are actually from Walmart. I'll link them down below. I love them. I think that they're really good. This is like a taller bed than normal. It's kind of at the bottom of my hip, which most beds are not that high. It's pretty high up because the dresser is below it, so I needed some taller nightstands. I love these ones. I think they're super cute. They have like a little shelf here. I just had some extra masks. I have like a little like affirmation journal, my remote, and then this is my like book collection. It started off as like 3 books, and then it just grew and grew and grew over the year. I have my half-gallon water bottle, and then originally I had that picture of me and my friend Kayla from Amazon like right there, but then I had too many books, so I had to push it back. And then right here is where I keep my record player and my 2 Taylor Swift vinyls. If you guys know me, I love Taylor Swift, so I have Lover and then Folklore. Literally obsessed with Taylor Swift. That's where I keep that. I'm excited to like display it in my next apartment. And then there's actually not a ton of space on these nightstands to put things because of how big these lamps are. These are both from Target. I will link them down below, but I love them. I think they're so cute. That's like my Apple Watch charger for the Apple Watch that I lost the other day. And then this is like one of those things that project a galaxy onto your wall. I'll link it down below. It's super cool. Check out some of my Instagram story highlights because I show it and it's so cool. And then let's go on into the other nightstand over here. Same nightstand. I actually fed through an extension cord right there, and then it's kind of covered by the bed so people can't really see it, but just charging my electronics at night. Same lamp. And then I have this little succulent. My mom got it for me for Easter. I'm pretty sure it's from like the Target dollar section or something like that. Down here is kind of a wire mess. I keep it on this side so people can't see it when they walk in, but I have these books that I painted. I got them from Goodwill, and then I painted them with different colors. Some of them are the terracotta colors that was in that pot. That one, I wrote Taylor Swift lyrics on them from Folklore because again, I'm obsessed with Taylor Swift. These used to be on the big mirror, and then it fell because the books were so heavy, and then this candle actually had like a vase to it, and then it broke, so now it's just kind of like there. This basket is from Target, and then literally you can see like my tissue box and stuff. This is where I like hide a bunch of stuff under my bed because I don't have that much storage in this room. But that's that. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but that's my closet. It's like a mirrored closet. We're not gonna go into it just because that's not what this video is. I think that's the whole room. It's not a super big room, so a little tour for you guys. I hope that you like it. Again, everything will be linked down below. So obsessed with this room. I hope that you are equally as obsessed as I am. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you liked my room. Again, everything will be linked down below for you guys, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!